I'm Heather Black, and together with my friend Daisy Ashhaug, we wrote the book Quilt, Modern Curves and Bold Stripes. Daisy and I are both quilt designers, and one of the things we do to create dynamic quilts is we add stripes to our curved piecing. When you add stripes to your standard quarter circle or Drunkard's path block, you're creating depth and adding movement in that block. In our book, we go over tips and techniques for piecing stripes, for piecing curves, and for executing both of those together. The book has 15 different projects, and each project has an option of either piecing your stripes or using a printed stripe fabric, so the maker is able to choose their skill level and the amount of detail they want in their finished quilt. So this quilt on the table is a sample from the book. This is my perfect dozen quilt. In this block, you can see that the stripes are pieced in a way that the circle is layered over the top of them. The block to the left has a similar appearance, it's just more minimal in design. But if you look to the block that's just the circle, you can see that this was pieced with a striped fabric. The striped fabric adds movement within the circle, so it creates more of a portal or a window into the quilt. One of the techniques I like to use while designing with quilts and stripes is I piece stripes from one area of the quilt that move into a block. This gives the appearance or illusion that the stripes are actually traversing the surface of the quilt. The quilt behind me is also an example from the book. This is my Festoons quilt. Not only is it pieced with stripes, but the stripes are improv pieced, so the movement is added through the piecing technique and combining of the curves and the stripes. So many people are intimidated when they see curved piecing, but really it's no different than piecing a straight stitch. Just take it one stitch at a time, slow down so you feel in control, and before you know it, that curve will be complete. I hope you've enjoyed that sneak peek into Daisy and my book, Quilt, Modern Curves and Bold Stripes.